night we were carving pumpkins and mini pumpkins, peppers. Some people tried to carve grapes, didn't go so well though. We made mini spiders out of grapes, spaghetti and sultanas or raisins.
The project as a whole has been really vibrant and colourful. We've engaged the children in growing from tiny seeds, and a lot of the children here tonight were involved sort of back early on in the beginning of the year growing the vegetables, and then tonight they've been able to see the vegetables as they've grown and find different ways we can use them.
With the funding, I've been able to come in and help the group look at their outside space, develop some growing spaces. So we developed four beds, and we also created a big bug hotel. And then tonight was the end of it, where we managed to use something which was grown from those beds that we created, the pumpkins, and turn them into carved pumpkins.
I knew what we wanted to achieve. We didn't really know what direction we were going in. So having the support and a mentor of somebody who knows how to grow things and go through the whole process of that has really helped us now, and has given us a really good base to move forward for next year.
Because it's quite a big group, you've got lots of different people here, I think it'd be amazing if you all get involved in the garden more, because there is so much that by running a garden you can do for the community and yourselves, from eating healthy, growing your own fruit and veg, helping those who can't afford food by growing their fruit and veg for them and handing it out. As a cub myself, when I was younger, it's the sort of things we did in my village, and I can see it really important for the cubs here to actually help out in the community by growing fruit and veg for the community.